Hi guys, back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to add a fade out effect to your clips without having to split them on CapCut. So in here, I've already added 27 clips, 27 long clips, 27 seconds, and I want to create a fade out effect, but I don't want to split the clip. So what you need to do is using keyframe. So I'm going to add a keyframe at the start, then I'm going to go to where I want the fade out effects show up, for example in here. Okay, so what you need to do is add another keyframe and then find the opacity options at the menu in the bottom. Then to have a fade out effect, just lower the opacity like this. I'm going to go with 20. Then click on a check icon and your video will become like this. So it will have a fade out effect, but you don't need to split the clips like that. Okay, and if you want to, you can just add another keyframe to make the opacity to normal. So bring it back to 100, for example. Then your clips will become like this. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and click on the thanks button below. Bye.